Hello, in this video you are watching a part of a commercial showcasing the Porsche Diesel 111, which is the predecessor of the Porsche Junior tractor that I will show you the full build of. Despite being most known for its sports cars, Porsche has produced many other types of military and civilian vehicles, including the tank called Tiger. However, in this video we will only focus on the model kit of one tractor. Between 1956 and 1963, Porsche produced about 125,000 tractors in 4 different types. The smallest one was called the Junior with a 1-cylinder 14 horsepower engine. The Standard had a 2-cylinder 25 horsepower engine. The Super had a 3-cylinder 35 horsepower engine. And the Master was the toughest one, powered by a 50 horsepower engine and capable of reaching a breakneck speed of 27 kilometers per hour. All of the tractors were painted carmine red, and to achieve this color for my model, I mixed TS8 with X7 in a 1:1 ratio. However, the color may not be an exact match, as I used black primer instead of white, resulting in a slightly darker shade. When the kit arrived, I was worried that I would be dealing with jigsaw puzzles, but fortunately the sprues were fine. However, sink marks were a significant issue throughout the building process, making it more time-consuming than I had anticipated. If you decide to purchase this kit, please bear in mind that sink marks are not the only thing to tackle. I opted for the included decals instead of stickers, but they were not very sticky and had difficult staying in place. The stickers were thick and had a red background which did not fit with my paint job at all. This kit was designed to be an easy click system, so you can build it without any glue. However, some parts require additional work to achieve the right fit. You can also build it without painting, but frankly speaking, it wouldn't look nice. Okay, so this was my first experience with an easy click system, and I'm really curious if other kits of this type have the same issues like these sink marks, or if it was just my experience. So let me know in the comments about that. Thanks for watching. By the way, I just launched a Buy Me a Coffee account, and if you would like to support me by buying me a coffee, which will help me to stay awake during long nights of building kits, I would be really honored. Enjoy the video. Cheers!